Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a very unique unit. It's an Arctic Fox 29RK rear kitchen by Northwood. It is a two-slide rear kitchen unit. Very nice living area in the back, and this kitchen area is huge and separate with a lot of counter space. There's a nice bedroom up front with a slide in the bedroom as well. Good bathroom, huge shower, a lot of really cool stuff. If you're familiar with the Northwood products at all, you'll know that they're the most insulated thing probably in this industry, with the 2-inch thick sidewalls and the thermal pane windows and some of the other things they do to enclose their underbelly a little bit different than everybody else. That kind of just seals everything up a little tighter and keeps everything, all your tanks and everything, a little warmer as well. Follow me, I'm going to show you some stuff inside. Right when you walk in, you'll see your theater seating here, the Thomas Paine recliners with heated seats, massaging seats, and light-up cup holders. Over in the slide-out area, you have a dinette with storage underneath that makes into an extra bed. After that, you have a very large fridge. If it looks big, it's because it's a 10 cubic foot for two-way fridge. I don't know a lot of other stuff that's going to have a bigger fridge than that unless they're doing two small sixes together. In the back, you have your kitchen area. You have a window out the back, a huge stainless steel sink, and then as you go around the side here, you have a ton of storage up and down, above and below. You have a very large oven for a trailer, a huge microwave as well. A lot of the microwaves you're looking at on stuff out there is pretty dinky usually. Then over here, you have a ton of counter space, but it also spreads out to your entertainment center. So you have a 40-inch 12-volt TV, so you can run that off your batteries. And then down below that, you have a electric fireplace as well. Down the hall on your left, you have a bathroom with a nice big shower, very nice cabinetry in all the Arctic Foxes, and throughout the entire unit, it's a lot of real wood, not a lot of particle board. In the bedroom area, you have a nice big walk-around bed, queen bed, and it's a very thick mattress. It's not your little throwaway cheap mattress that a lot of trailers come with. There's also a slide out in here as well for extra wardrobe space, and it's a very open area in the bedroom where a lot of these get a little bit cramped up. There's a lot of other stuff I want to show you on this unit. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan.DeAngelis from Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.